In this WPX hosting tutorial video, I'm going to be going over how to buy domain name hosting from WPX Hosting step by step from start to finish. I provide the link to WPX Hosting in the description below so you can easily follow along with me in this quick and easy WPX hosting tutorial. WPX Hosting is offering 2 months free on annual plans. The 2 months are deducted from the total cost of the annual plan cost. You can always pay monthly as well. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from WPX Hosting at no extra cost to you. Let's get started with the WPX Hosting tutorial on how to buy domain name hosting from WPX Hosting. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the WPX Hosting page shown here. Click the View Plans button. You'll now be on the WPX Manage WordPress Hosting Pricing page. You'll see you'll get 2 months free by choosing WPX's annual plans. You can toggle the plan to pay yearly or monthly. If choosing yearly, 2 months are free and deducted from the WPX WordPress hosting plan's yearly cost. WPX Hosting offers free migrations if you're moving over from another hosting provider. WPX's WordPress experts will move your site and emails within 24 hours completely free. WPX Hosting also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. You'll see the business, professional, and elite plans. All the plans come with free malware removal, 30-second average support response, free fixes if site offline, free site speed optimization, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and 99.95% uptime. The business plan comes with up to 5 websites, 15 gigabytes of storage, 200 gigabytes of bandwidth, 1 gigabyte of RAM per site, 3 PHP workers per site, and 1 CPU core. The professional plan comes with up to 15 websites, 30 gigabytes of storage, 400 gigabytes of bandwidth, 1 gigabyte of RAM per site, 3 PHP workers per site, and 2 CPU cores. The Elite plan comes with up to 35 websites, 60 gigabytes of storage. When it comes to gigabyte bandwidth, there is no limit, but a reasonable use limit will be applied at the discretion of WPX. The plan also comes with 1 gigabyte RAM per site, 3 PHP workers per site, and 3 CPU cores. Click the Buy Now button on the plan you want to select. I'll select the business plan for this tutorial. You'll now be on a Let's Get Started page. If you already have an existing website domain, you can enter it in. Click the Continue button to proceed. If you don't already have a domain name, click on the I am launching a new website and you can search for a domain name by typing it in. What's awesome about getting a domain name with WPX Hosting is they offer free domain privacy with their domain name purchases. Once you type in a domain name, you want to select the domain extension you want to have for your site below under Choose the Extensions. Click the Search button. It'll let you know if it's available or not. Click the Continue button to proceed. You'll now be on the Select Your Hosting Location page. You can choose between the USA, UK, and Australia. If you hover over the location, it'll tell you who it is best suited for. Select the one that works for your needs. You'll now be on the Set Up Your Account page. Enter your information in for your WPX hosting account. Over to the right, under the Your Order section, you can click from the drop-down to change the term of your WPX hosting purchase if you need to. Next, scroll down to the Choose Payment Method section. You can pay via an online transfer with PayPal or paying via a bank card. Select that you have read and agreed to the terms of service, privacy policy, and the refund policy. Click the Checkout Now button. It'll now pull up the WPX Hosting GDPR compliant privacy policy. Scroll down to the bottom and click the Accept button. You'll now get a notification about an unpaid invoice. Click the See All Invoices button. It'll now list out the invoice for your hosting account. Click View. it'll pull up the unpaid invoice. From the drop-down, you can select credit card or PayPal for your payment. Click the Pay Now button. Next, enter your payment details. Enter your information in. Once done, click the Continue button. You'll now be on the Welcome to the Fastest WordPress Hosting page. If you need to migrate your site and want the WPX team to do it, click the link provided under Migration. To go to the WPX dashboard, click the Dashboard tab in the top menu. You'll now be in the WPX dashboard. That is my WPX hosting tutorial on how to buy domain and hosting with WPX Hosting. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WPX hosting tutorial videos.